Pearl Thusi dumped by fan. Pearl Thusi can't seem to catch a break. Pearl Thusi might seem like she is one of the most disliked celebrities in Mzansi. The hate she has been getting is unlikely to stop anytime soon. The actress, who is prone to dragging people's parents in her clapbacks, is being dragged left, right and centre. A fan even went as far as dumping her because of her controversial ways. Hectic. While all of this is going on, her strong legions of fans prove to always have her back. Her latest international project, Queen Shona, got canned in late 2020 due to problems related to the pandemic. In a statement sent to Celebs, a spokesperson confirmed that the drama series, which stars Pearl Thusi as the lead actress, will not be renewed for a second season. "We've made the difficult decision not to move forward with season 2 of Queen Shona. We are incredibly proud of the Deprente team for sharing their audacious vision and bringing it to life. A huge thank you to our fans across the world for the love shared for our first African original series. We are also grateful to the amazing efforts shown by the cast and crew for their stellar efforts in creating this show for our members around the world. We'll continue to work closely with South Africa's creative industry to keep producing more compelling made-in-South Africa stories." The director of the series, Kagiso, says they had written a great storyline, but it was difficult to bring it to life. "We wrote a beautiful story that spanned the continent, but unfortunately could not be executed in these current trying times," said Kagiso Litiga, director. The series starred Mama Panther, Vio Dabula, Lois Omadinga, and Abigail Kubika. The show received impressive reviews from Mzansi and the international scene. Now that it has dawned upon many of her fans that there really is no Queen Shona Season 2, they have taken the necessary steps to change their minds.